Here's a look at your daily market report on this Friday, the 10th day of October. Big sell-offs taking place today on the futures markets, both on grains and livestocks. All those hopes for any soybean trade to China seem to have perhaps evaporated today as Trump announced that it appears he's called off the meeting with China later this month. On the livestock side, after a 5-day rally of gaining almost $22, no surprise to see a bit of a sell-off today on Friday with the cattle. It is auction day today at the Eastern Missouri Commission Company in Bowling Green. No early listings there tonight, Friday evening at 5 o'clock. Exeter, Missouri will have a special cow sale, expecting about 550 head there now. Tomorrow, Mid-Missouri Stockyards in Phillipsburg. They've got a special cow sale at 6 o'clock in the evening, expecting about 400 head there, and about 100 head expected at New Cambria Livestock Market tomorrow at 11 o'clock. At the auction barns around the state on Thursday, Mid-Missouri Stockyards sold 737 head. Steers under 500 pounds were called $25 to $30 higher. Over 500 pounds, 5 to 15 lower. Heifers this week, 5 to 12 lower. Mocan Livestock Market in Butler, they had 580 head. A firm to higher undertone was noted there on that light supply. Wheeler Livestock Auction in Osceola, they sold 692 head there. Mostly calves in the offering, the majority of them being weaned and vaccinated. They sold $5 to $15 higher. There in Osceola, the steers, medium and large ones, some 3 to 4 weights at 500 to 540, some 4 to 5 weight steers at 440 to 495, some 5 to 6 weights at 415 to 460. Feeder heifers, medium and large ones, the 3 to 4 weights at 450 to $500, 4 to 5 weights at 415 to 465, some 5 to 525 pound heifers, 435 to 465. Box beef cutout values at midday. Choice up $1 and a nickel at $366.27. Select up $267 at $347 even. Those values based on 82 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. The Choice Select spread at $19.27. Starting to see a bit of feedlot trade develop as of the morning report. 4,979 head. Texas, 222 head, mostly all at 230 live. Kansas is report 153 head so far, from 230 to mostly 233. Iowa, 2,194 head, live sales at 230 to 231. Dress sales 358 to 360. Nebraska, 231 head so far, from 358 to mostly 362. It is light trade so far, but if those prices turn out to be the market for this week, looks like the market will be mostly around steady, maybe a touch lower ever so slightly. Taking a look at those futures markets at midday. On the board of trade, corn contracts 4 to 4 1/4 lower, December 413 3/4, March at 429 1/2, May at 438 1/2. Soybeans 16 to 16 3/4 cent lower, November at 1005 1/2, January 1022, March at 1036 1/4. Wheat contracts are 7 to 7 3/4 cent lower, December 499 1/2, March at 516 1/4, May at 528 1/2. Soybean meal for October down $1.80 a ton at $267.90. Soybean oil, no trade on the October this morning. December's down $1.06 a hundredweight at $49.88. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle for October, that's only green anywhere at midday. It's 40 cents higher, $235.42. December's down $1.55 at $238.35. February down $1.50 at $241.90. Feeder cattle for October down $3.17 at $370.85. November $370.37 up down $367. And January $366.20 down $285. Those feeder contracts still running a good $3 to $4 above the current index. Lean hogs for October down 15 cents at $96.85. December $84.07 down 27. February $86.27 down 40. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your daily market report for Friday. This is Tony Hancock.